Hello everyone, and today I am going to tell you the most important formula which is very useful both in BSc, in JEE exam, and in also BTech, and also it is very important for NET and GATE exams also. And if you apply this formula, you will see some magical things. That means the formula which you are deriving in 1 or 2 pages, you can do it simply in 2 to 3 lines. Okay, so let us start. So see here, the Euler formula is e to the power I theta is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. And I am dealing with complex number, clear? I is equal to -1 root over of -1. So e to the power I theta is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. Remember, the symbol which is attached with I is the variable. If I write e to the power 2i, it will be cos 2 plus I sin 2. If I write e to the power I 2 theta, it will be cos 2 theta plus I sin 2 theta, and so on. So similarly, e to the power minus I theta, it will be, that means in place of theta you should write minus theta, and cos of minus theta is cos theta, and sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. So it will be cos theta minus I sin theta. Again I am repeating, in place of theta I have written minus theta. So here also in place of theta you should write minus theta. That means cos of minus theta is cos theta, but sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. So you have to remember these two formulas which are given by Euler. Don't pronounce it Euler, it is Euler. And now I am giving some applications. That means how to use this formula and where to use this formula. Okay, see here. Cos theta plus I sin theta into cos 2 theta plus I sin 2 theta. You have to find out the product of these two. In general, I have seen in my life that all the students, almost all the students, they are multiplying and getting the answer. Okay, it is clear that method is perfect and you will get full mark. But how much time you are taking? That is the point. See here. According to Euler, remember, cos should be the real part, sin should be the imaginary part. Okay, so see here. This is e to the cos theta plus I sin theta, it is equal to e to the power I theta. And this is cos 2 theta plus I sin 2 theta, e to the power I 2 theta. That means e to the power I theta into e to the power I 2 theta. The base is same, so power should be added. 2i theta plus I theta, 3i theta. That will be equal to cos 3 theta plus I sin 3 theta. So this is your answer. See how much time I have taken to find out the result. And how easy to find out. Another question I am giving you. See here, cos alpha plus I sin alpha, cos beta minus I sin beta, cos gamma plus I sin gamma. So how to find out the value? Normally all the students are multiplying, but we should not multiply. After knowing this formula, you should not multiply. Okay, simply apply these two formula. Cos alpha plus I sin alpha, it is equal to e to the power I alpha. Cos beta minus I sin beta, cos beta minus I sin beta, it will be e to the power minus I beta. Cos gamma plus I sin gamma, it is e to the power I gamma. Simply the base is same and it is multiplied, so power should be added. E to the power, take I common, alpha minus beta plus gamma. Okay, then apply the formula again, Euler formula. E to the power I theta, it is in the form of e to the power I theta. So in place of theta, I have written alpha minus beta plus gamma. So cos alpha minus beta plus gamma plus I sin alpha minus beta plus gamma. That's it. See here how it is easy. Another question. Very interesting question I am going to tell you. Cos theta plus I sin theta to the power 2 cos 3 theta minus I sin 3 theta to the power 3 whole divided by cos theta minus I sin theta to the power 2 cos 2 theta plus I sin 2 theta to the power 5. So you have to find out this one. So how to solve this one? And my question is that you should do very quickly. And very quickly means, in my opinion, it may take 3 to 4 lines or it may take 3 lines, but the lines should be very small. That does not mean that you should start here and end here. Complete line. Okay, see here. Cos theta plus I sin theta. It is e to the power I theta. E to the power I theta to the power 2. This one. Cos 3 theta minus I sin 3 theta. It is e to the power minus I 3 theta. Because the variable is 3 theta and here it is minus, so I am giving minus. And whole cube is there. So put a whole cube. Divided by this one. Cos theta minus I sin theta. See here, already I have told you, if there is minus then put a minus, if there is plus then put a plus sign here. Clear? So here it is minus and the variable is theta. So e to the power minus I theta and whole square is there. Similarly, this one cos 2 theta plus I sin 2 theta, variable is 2 theta and plus is there. So e to the I 2 theta and whole 5 is there. So see here, how to write? It will be e to the power I 2 theta. Clear? Now this one into e to the power minus I 9 theta. 3 3s are 9. Divided by, it is e to the power minus I 2 theta into e to the power I 5 2s are 10. 10 theta. Now, all the bases are same. E. In the numerator, the powers should be added and the denominator powers should go to the numerator, changing the sign. Okay, so e to the power, take I common, 2 theta minus 9 theta, and negative sign is there. While going to numerator, it will become positive, plus 2 theta, and here it is 10 theta, so it will become minus 10 theta. Okay, so it will be e to the power I 2 theta plus 2 theta. It is 4 and 10 minus 10 minus 10 minus 19 plus 4 minus 15. Clear? So minus 15 theta. So which will be equal to cos 15 theta minus I sin 15 theta. That's it. Clear? Very easy. It will not take more than 30 seconds. Okay. So these are the applications of Euler formula, and there is much more applications of Euler formula. And in my next video, I will tell you how effective is this formula. And wait for my next video. You will be surprised by seeing the application. Okay, so till then, bye bye.